Hi, good morning. Ako po si Manny Viloria ng TrulyRichPinoy.com. And I'm coming to you this morning from the poolside of the Marco Polo Hotel in Davao City, Philippines. Okay, this is a follow-up video on Jaime Parmis and how he was able to attract 7 direct referrals in just a few days. The secret here, which I did not mention in the earlier video, is passion. Jaime Parmis is a very passionate person. Kaya kapag kunikwento niya ang kanyang online business sa iba't mga tao, sa kanyang mga friends, punong-puno po ng buhay. Hindi po yung para relax-relaxan. Talagang exciting siya kung magsalita. Sabi nga ng mga ibang friends niya, ay kaya niyang magbenta. Kahit ibenta niya yung luneta, kaya po niya. Yun po yung passion. Now, the other thing you have to remember is mastery. Okay? Mastery. What is mastery? Kung titingnan niyo po yung mga ibang tao sa swimming pool, yung mga iba, nagtatampisaw lamang. Pero may mga iba na gumagamit nung lap lane. Yan yung isang lane sa swimming pool kung saan naglalaps yung mga serious swimmers. And when you watch them, you can see the difference, no? Very easy yung kanong strokes, long strokes, tapos ang bilis-bilis ng galaw nila. Tapos, walang tigil yan. They make it look easy. Just like Jaime Parmis, he makes it look very easy. And the magic number to make something easy, or to make something look easy, the magic number of mastery is 10,000. 10,000 hours po. So if you're going to swim for 1 hour a day for 300 days in a year, it will take you 33 years to reach 10,000 hours. If you do it 2 hours a day, 17 years. 4 hours a day, 8.5 years. Ngayon kung mag-8 hours a day po tayo, mga 4 years ang okay lang po. 4 years lang po to reach the level of mastery. So kayo po, how can you commit to doing something for 10,000 hours? How can you commit to doing something for several years? The secret there is passion. So kung talagang bilib na bilib po sa ginagawa ninyo, then you can realize your dream of earning an extra income online. Just like Jaime Parmis. Kaya po, at sa ating mga kababayang Pinoy, tingnan niyo po, nandito po tayo sa bakasyon, and yet meron nag-email sa akin na magpe-pay-in po sila sa SW Ultimate, for example. So kayo rin po, I invite you to join Team Manny Viloria and start blogging, sharing your stories, sharing your videos online. Okay? Marami po tayong mga tutorials, mga tips, so you can learn this on your own. And if you have questions, tanong lang po kayo, we will give you support hanggang sa magagawa nyo rin yung ginagawa kahit ni Jaime Parmis. Okay? So hanggang sa susunod na tip, ako po si Manny Viloria ng TrulyRichPinoy.com. And remember, visit Davao when you get to travel. Add it to one of your travel spots here in the Philippines. Hanggang sa susunod, maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.